Alrighty, let's take a ride here in kind of a rare car. I haven't seen these things in ever. 69 Dodge Dart GTS. This one, man, they got the 340 on there, you know?
340 4-speed.
Yeah.
275 horsepower, at least that's what they were rated at when they were new.
Yeah. It's got front disc brakes. It's got, you know, some nice mufflers on there. And it painted it black.
20 years, this paint job is 20 years old and it looks great.
Yeah.
A couple little blemishes, but geez, for 20 years.
Yeah, can't complain.
Factory 4-speed.
Yep.
That's a neat car. The guy had it since brand new. I think he was 70-something years old. We looked at it a year ago, tried to buy it, and he finally came around.
Yep, he's finally wanting to sell it.
Family pushed him out.
Yep. Yeah, look at it. It's got an old 8-track in there.
Months.
Yeah, months.
You put a couple gauges down here, put 2, which is cool.
Yeah,
it's nice to have that.
Yeah, it's good to have those extra gauges. You know, it's got power steering. It's got some newer exhaust on there.
Yeah, it sounds good, actually.
Yeah, no, you don't, like I said, you don't see these cars. Oh, look at that. It's got the big tachometer going on there.
Cool, man.
Yeah, good power.
You got the 3-point belts up here, too.
Yeah.
Not that I don't wear them, but whatever. They're there, hanging.
What belts? Yeah, but it runs good.
Old steel wheels. I mean, it's old man's car.
Well, you know what's...
kept in the garage.
Yeah, you didn't drive it much. I remember when I was young, I mean, you had one of these things, you were the bomb, man.
Oh, heck yeah, man.
Nobody had them.
A lot of guys race these things because it's a super light car, you know, it's small. It's still kind of sporty.
Yeah. All right, man, coming up for picture spot.
Here's a fun little muscle car. In 1969, one of the best years for everything, I think, for muscle cars. 69 Dodge Dart GTS. Pretty cool, GT Sport. This one's a 340 with a 4-speed transmission. What other way is there to have a muscle car? And it's black on black, beautiful paint. This paint's 20 years old. Always kept in the garage, and the guy took really good care of it. He bought it brand new, and always maintained it. You know, rebuilt the motor at some point, had it painted 20 years ago. Family made him get rid of it. Didn't think he should be driving anymore, which is a total bummer. I'd throw the family out if they did that to me. Anyhow, it's got the steel wheels on there and dog dish hubcaps. As you can see, I mean, really nice paint. It looks great. And interior is original. I mean, all black bucket seats, headrest, factory, you know, dash is a little messed up. That's something that's going to have to be replaced. It's got some cuts in it. I don't think they're that much money. You can do that. Also needs a couple of pull handles here, which I might get my hands on them. I'm looking for them right now. But factory steering wheel, factory 4-speed. It's got the Hurst shifter, and back seat's in good shape too. You know, all the rubber generally is pretty good. Tires are like new. So just a really good overall clean driver. Fun muscle car. Chrome is in good shape. It's got the little bumper guards there. The guy was local right here in Thousand Oaks, California, about 15 minutes from us. We looked, Gary and I looked at this thing about a year ago, and you know, got us all the way over there and just couldn't part with it. So I had to wait for this one. But it was worth the wait if you ask me. Really good looking car. All right, here's the power plant in the Dart GTS. Like I said, 340. These were rated at 275 horsepower. Factory 4-barrel carburetor. Not much under here, but power steering. It does have disc brakes, but they're non-power, but dual reservoir, so a little safer. You don't have to worry about losing a brake line and having no brakes. Like I said, it's backed by a 4-speed transmission, and you know, everything under drivetrain wise feels really good on this car. And I don't know if you could tell, but they undercoated this car when it was new, which probably saved its life, kept it nice. You know, it's got these special fittings. They drill holes in the bottom of the rockers and they fill them with rust inhibitor so it won't rust, and that's probably why it saved this car. Anyhow, we're gonna go ahead and fire this one up for you. Typical Mopar, got that little whining starter sound. Fires right up though. I don't know why they did the valve covers orange. They're supposed to be blue. If I can track down some Chrysler paint, I'll probably paint them blue again. You know, the paint this year for this motor is supposed to be blue. So anyhow, that's a simple fix, or put some chrome ones on there. But it runs nice and smooth. Again, old man's car, didn't race it, didn't beat on it. Just kind of kept it up and had some fun with it. Yeah, nice little dual exhaust, man. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. Visit us at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. And phone number here is 591-1313. Give us a ring if you have any questions, and we'd be happy to show you the car. Thanks for watching.